formally start the panel 2. So in panel 2, which I will be moderating, so I just want to introduce you with all the panel experts today we have, and they have all joined in. So we have, Dr. William Barnes, Executive Professor of Law, Associate Dean for Special Projects, School of Law, A&M University, Texas, USA. He has written a lot of books, 150,000 print subscription, and his Lexis books are accessed by more than 20,000 times annually by the government and private attorneys. His 1,000 plus national underwriters, Lexis and Truworths articles are cited by mainstream financial press like Wall Street Journal and trade sites. He's an educational innovator. He has pioneered in online education in early 90s. His programs received praise by the best practices pedagogy and have more than 1,000 alumni. US Department of State Bureau of Education and Cultural Affairs elected him as a Fulbright specialist for pedagogy and for comparative taxation. Thank you, Mr. William Barnes, for being here in the panel 2 as an expert. In this panel, we have Mr. Tarun Gulati, a senior counsel and tax litigation expert. Mr. Tarun Gulati is a senior advocate practicing at the Supreme Court of India. He is engaged to represent top Indian and multinational companies in extremely contentious matters before courts and tribunals throughout India. His practice areas include taxation, commercial dispute, regulatory litigation, competition and trade law. He is also a qualified chartered accountant. Thank you, Mr. Gulati, for being part of the panel 2. Mr. Gopala Ramnan, Vice President and JPAC Controller, Global Controller Organization of Oracle India. He is a finance leader with 3 decades of experience in corporate finance, controllership, M&A, treasury, taxation, corporate secretarial and legal function. He has served many corporate boards in the capacity of non-independent director. He has been with Oracle for last 16 years. He has handled financial controllership, US GAAP, local statutory accounting, merger acquisition, treasury, audit, risk, compliance, and finance technology and leadership, integration of all. Being a qualified company secretary, cost and management accountant, chartered accountant, he has completed his executive management program for IIM Bangalore. His passion for risk and compliance led him to postgraduate diploma in criminology and forensic science and master in psychology. He is a certified Six Sigma Green Belt, avid blogger and business mentor coach. Today, he will discuss about the technology aspect of digital economy, AI, etc. Mr. Praveen Dukania is Chief Finance Officer, probably the world's largest GST network called GSTN, is Chief Finance Officer of Goods and Services Tax Network, a technology backbone of India's biggest tax reform, which is GST. Award winner CFO, seasoned professional with CA, ICWA, CS and DISA qualification under his belt. He's a thought leader and speaks at various forums of finance, digital economy, and strategic issues, including innovation. He carries 22 years of Fortune 500 Big Four management consulting firm, and today he's working in a public-private partnership organization called GSTN. He's also mentor to various startups and awarded as a CFO Power List of 2019, recognized as top 100 CFO by CFO India. And this is me I'm going to, take the opportunity to present all my esteemed, I would say, panelists who have agreed. First of all, thank you